Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Karan and I am from Bihar. Friends, this is my 14th video and you know that I have taken 30-day challenge, and this 30-day challenge I want to improve my English. That's why I am recording myself. Friends, I am practicing since last 12 days, and I realized that my English is improved little bit, not completely, little bit, and I want to only improve my English in this 30-day challenge. Friends, right now I am wandering outside of my house and recording myself. You can see that so many plants behind me, and it is looking green. I know that my background is rough, but it doesn't matter. Matter is that I am recording in English and I want to improve my English. So look my background, that is a field of wheat, and that is my grandmother who is doing some work. And right now I am standing on the pipe. That pipe is, look, this is a pipe of diesel, and right now I am wandering here and there. You can see that this is my house, and my house is not much good, but yes, I live in this house, and I am standing behind my house so that I can make video silently, so that no any sound disturb me in my recording. And you can see that that is a small cow child. I don't know what is the English meaning of cow child. Calf, yes, calf means, I think calf means bachda. That is a calf of cow, and you can see that I am standing behind my house and recording myself in English so that I can improve my English. As much as I record myself, as much I improve my English. That's why my only one motive is to record myself in English and to improve my English. That's why. So if you are beginner on my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for giving your time on my video. So please subscribe my channel. Your one subscribe motivate me a lot, motivate me to make next video. So please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. If you are beginner, then subscribe my channel so that you can also learn in this language. So thank you for watching, and thank you for giving me your time.